madness.
Hello and welcome to Tuhin editing, and today I'm going to show you how you can autocorrect your video files in Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. So I have a slog file here. You can see it has less color as because this is a slog footage from Sony. So I'm going to drag this one into the timeline, make it bigger, and after selecting the footage, make sure to go to the lumetri color, and if you don't have this window open, go to the window and lumetri color. So in the basic correction tab, you will see there's a new tab that is called auto. If you press this one, it will automatically correct your colors. So let's press this one. As you can see, it's already looking better. In my experiment, the intensity, if you make it higher, it looks better. So you can see this is the auto corrected color of the video, and this one is the previous one. So you can see it's already looking better. So if you're a beginner or don't have time to edit it properly, so this is a very good new option from Premiere Pro 2022, and you can do some basic edit by yourself, like maybe deepen the black, work on the shadows a little more. Make sure you work on the exposure very carefully because it will wash out the details. So yeah, basically this is how you can edit your video by pressing only one button, and it's a new feature from 2022. So thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.